In dividing a decimal by a whole number, say 22.63 divided by 4, we set the problem up as a usual division problem. So 4 divided into 22.63. Next, we place the decimal point directly above the decimal point in the dividend, as you see here. Next, we work out the problem as you would a normal division problem, as I've done here. And in this problem, I had to place in a couple of zeros in the dividend till the remainder was equal to 0. And sometimes the remainder of 0 is never obtained when dividing, such as in this problem here, as the 4 and 5 will keep repeating. In a situation like this, continue the division and place in zeros to one decimal place more than you need to round the answer to. So if I want to round to the nearest thousandth, I would carry the division out to the nearest 10,000th, and then round the answer off. Here are some more examples of dividing decimals by whole numbers with the division process and rounding off written out. One note, if you want to check your answer, you can multiply your answer, the quotient, by the divisor, and this answer should equal the dividend in the original problem. Alright my friends, that be the basics on dividing a decimal by a whole number. Hopefully this video helped you out. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.